This is Gene Keys, Skyserve, Texas News. Texas health officials are sounding the alarm over 41,000 unvaccinated students. CBSDFW.com contributed to this report. Texas health officials say 10 years ago there were about 10,000 Texas students exempt from at least one federally recommended vaccination, and that number climbed last year to nearly 41,000. Texas is one of 18 states that allow parents to cite religion or personal beliefs in exempting their children from vaccination. Texas began allowing exemptions for reasons for conscience in 2003. Last year, Governor Greg Abbott said he supported the Texas law allowing families to opt out of them. Students who aren't fully vaccinated account for less than 1% of the 5.2 million students enrolled in Texas schools. However, Texas health officials know only too well the outbreaks of contagious diseases that may occur when citizens opt out of vaccinations. California passed a new law last year that allows only medical exemptions after a large outbreak of measles at Disneyland. California had allowed multiple exemptions to its vaccination requirements. A Prairie View officer is indicted for official oppression after using a taser on a city official. The Associated Press contributed to this report from Houston. The incident began last October when Prairie View officer Michael Kelly questioned four men outside Prairie View City Council member Jonathan Miller's apartment about suspicious activity in the neighborhood, and Miller intervened. Video from police and from one of Miller's friends showed Kelly using a taser on Miller when he didn't follow police commands. Prairie View is about 50 miles northwest of Houston, is the same city where a white state trooper arrested Sandra Bland, a black woman, on a traffic charge. Bland later died in jail. In police video, Kelly told Miller to turn around in an effort to put handcuffs on him. Miller pulled his hands away and told Kelly, "I'm not saying anything." Kelly then fired his stun gun at Miller's back. Miller was later charged with resisting arrest and interference with public duties, with those charges being dropped later. "But officer, my wife is pregnant," was the excuse an Austin driver gave police after topping 117 miles per hour. KXAN.com contributed to this report from Austin. Police say Etman Samgazili had also been involved in an earlier hit and run. Austin police say a driver has been charged with reckless driving after he was clocked doing 117 miles per hour during rush hour. According to court records, police spotted his car as he was blowing through traffic Friday evening. The speed limit on the freeway where he was driving is 65 miles per hour, putting him 52 miles per hour over the limit. Police say once they pulled him over, they found the passenger in his car was only 5 months pregnant. Visit us on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter at Skyserve News Service. This is Gene Keys, Skyserve Texas News.